Hey everyone, so this is Stefan. Today I will be going over how to get MineRL to run. I'll be doing the installation on Colab. So I'll share the iPython notebook in Discord. So first, you can just do run all on this notebook. For cell, just press enter. It will install the JDK 8. Second, after the installation of JDK 8, the default of Java is set to 11, and we need to set it to what we have just installed. So over here, by default is set to 11. Now we need to set it to 8. So we need to type 2 to change the selection. Press enter. The MineRL environment requires a monitor to run, while Colab doesn't have one. So we need to set up a remote. Over here, you can go in this link and set up an account and log in. Copy and paste the identification token and select the newest region near you. So your delay is minimum. This installation will take the most time. It will probably take 3 to 5 minutes. And outside of this, you will need to install a VNC, Turbo VNC on your local computer. So while this code is running, I'll go over some of the others. After the VNC is up and running, you can copy and paste this code into the terminal of VNC such that your environment variable is set. Of course, we need to install the environment itself, MineRL, do pip install. These are some of the code from the MineRL webpage as a sample to get you started running. The rest of the code over here are, like over here, this code is for you to run Visual Studio in your VNC. If your JDK somehow doesn't work, you can purge it first and then reinstall everything. Install the baseline and install the submission template. That's over here. And lastly, the last script is to install, to download the MineRL Opting Diamond, as well as MineRL, the tree chopping dataset onto the desktop. So right now we're just waiting for the VNC to set up and finish. All right, so it looks about done. Over here, you can SSH into this. So you will copy this whole thing, paste it in your terminal first, and copy and paste. Do yes. And when it's asking for the Colab password, you'll go back to the previous screen, copy the Colab password, and paste it, press enter. So this site has been set up already. To connect to the VNC. So to connect to the VNC, click on the Turbo VNC application, do localhost number :1, and press connect. Afterward, you will see something like this. You can go back to Colab and copy the VNC password and copy and paste. Afterward, you will see this screen where the dataset has been downloaded already. And click on the terminal. And over here, you can go to the desktop. And you can do code. And you can start coding from here. To do the very basic of getting the environments up and running, you can copy the code from the MineRL website to copy and paste. Can do save. Say I set to desktop. And lastly, to run this code, you would do export the environment variable. After this, you can type Python 3 and do example. Yep, and the code is up and running.